If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Renegade Sport in black clear coat. With Sport Appearance Group, power heated mirrors, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 3,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number P9178.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.